We'll guide you through how to install the gun mod in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and quit Minecraft. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. But first of all, a big shout out to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host. They've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so you can play with your friends anytime, and also you can get assistance anytime you need it with the 24/7 live chat. As you can see, there are other benefits here and features as well, which is super cool. So if you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice, which is super good. Back to the guide, all you need to do is you want to go and search for Mr. Crayfish Gun Mod, just like so. And you want to come to the CurseForge site. Now scroll down and you want to head over to the right here and go and click on Files. And then you're going to see these different options here. Now what I like to do is I like to go and get the most up-to-date version, but if you want to get an older version you can. Just note down the game version and the mod loader. I'm pretty sure they're all Forge, but note down the game version, which is 1.19.4, as we're going to need that in a moment. Then come over to the right and click on the three dots and click on download file, and then the download should shortly start. Just like that, it's now gone and downloaded. Now, if you press the back button, come back to the description, and if you scroll down, we need to go and get a framework. So if you're using 1.18 or above, we're going to need this framework here, or another one if you're using 1.16 or below. So I'm going to click on this framework here and then go and click on Files. And we need to go and get the same version of the framework as we got the mod in. So I got it for 1.19.4 for Forge. And as you can see, here is the same version. So come over to the right, click on the three dots and click on Download File, and it should shortly begin. The next thing we need is Forge, and that's how the mods actually run. So go and search for Minecraft Forge like so, and go to the Forge website. Then all you need to do is come over to the left, and we need to get the same version of Forge as we got the mods in, which was 1.19.4. So I'm going to go and click on 1.19, and then here is 1.19.4, and we can then go and get the latest version. So click on Installer, and you'll be taken to an add wall. But just be aware, if you see any download buttons here, this is for the add, not for Forge. You need to click on the skip button in the top right once it's available, and it will then download. There it is. Now what we can do is come out of our web browser, and we need to go and open up our file explorer and come to our downloads. Here are the files here. So then what we need to do is just select them, and I like to put them on my desktop. It just makes things easier. And now what you want to do is you want to go and install Forge. So double click on it and you should go and see the installer. Now if you don't, this is likely because you don't have Java installed. So go back to your web browser and head to java.com, or you can just go and search for it. And then what you need to do is click on download Java. Download it and install it. It's a super straightforward process. Then come back to Forge, right click on it, click on open with or hover on it, and click on choose another app. Then make sure Java is selected and click on always, and it should then go and launch like so. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix. We've got a video on that which you can check out. Anyways, once you've got the Forge installer open, select install client and click OK, and it should then go and install. Once it has, you'll go and get this pop-up, so that's great. Now you need to go and add the mods. To do that though, open up the Minecraft launcher. In the launcher, make sure you select Java on the left and click on installations at the top. Then what you need to do is scroll down and find Forge, and come over to the right and click on the file or folder icon. This will take you straight into the Minecraft files, and then scroll down and locate the mods folder. If you can't see it, simply right click and you can press on new and click on folder. Make sure that in a blank space, and then you can name the folder mods, but you should have it. In the mods folder, double click on it, and we need to then move the mods. So you should have those two here. So I'll highlight them and drag them in like so. Now come back to the launcher and click on play at the top, and come to the left of play, the main play button, and then make sure you select Forge. Click play and it will launch. Here we are in the game, and I just want to go and give you a brief demo of this mod. So there's quite a few different guns in the game. You've got shotguns, heavy rifles, pistols, rifles, machine pistols, bazookas, grenade launchers, and minigun. So that should be the main guns. I think I should have covered them there. So then what we can do is go and search for them. For example, the grenade launcher, I'll go and equip it like so. And for example, you can zoom in by using the right mouse click and then just click to go and send it, just like so. It's pretty cool. And as I said, there are others out there as well. I'm going to type in gun. We can then go and use the shotgun. And yeah, you can go and start using these out and you can find your preferred one. And then what you can do is while you're holding the gun, you can press Z and you can actually go and add these different attachments here. For example, I could go and search for scope and I could go and get a short scope like so. And then I can go and press Z and I can then go and apply it by going and putting it in the scope. And then when I zoom in, I can then go and use it. It's that simple. There's so much more you can do with it though, and it adds a whole complete different aspect to Minecraft, and it's really fun with friends as well. So if you want to go and start playing with your friends, then definitely go and check out Apex Hosting, and a big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. There'll be a link in the pinned comment and the description. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more. We've got a ton more videos coming just like this, so yeah, go and check them out. And also, if you want to go and see other Minecraft videos, there are already some on the channel as well, covering a wide range of different guides. I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.